if you want to run Google Ads, and more specifically, you want to run Google Ads to a specific list of people, also known as a customer list. These are similar to custom audiences when you run meta ads through Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to show you how to do that right now in this video. So this is ads.google.com, right? This is Google Ads, separate from meta ads. But what's cool is you, after a certain standpoint, either when you've spent enough money or your account is of course also in good standing, you can have access to upload these customer lists of phone numbers and or email addresses and contact information of people that you have access to that you can now find through Google and run targeted ad campaigns to just these people, okay? So this is great whether you have, if you're a real estate agent, you have a database, right? Or if you're a business and you have a database, or really you're in any sort of sales role or business, right? You can leverage these lists, okay? I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So this is what we need to do. Go to ads.google.com, go to your overview page. Next up, left-hand side under Tools, we're going to click. And within Tools, you can see, I already have it clicked down, but you're going to open up Shared Library. And then within Shared Library, we can click on Audience Manager. You can see here under Audience Manager, I already have a couple of different data segments that I've created. You can see that they're all broken out. What you can see here, this is important also, is you can see the size of them. You can see how many matched. You can see here Google, this one, I didn't have enough people that I uploaded properly matched, so I actually can't even use this specific list because it's too small, it's less than 100. So be mindful that you want to have a very large database of people, knowing that not everything's going to match, and we need to hit certain minimum thresholds, okay? You can see here, like this one right here, I can click on it, I can see where it matches, I can see what data is available and what audience data is available to target specifically for certain types of ads through Google, okay? So how do we do this? Let me go back here, click out of here. I can click this blue plus button, and down here, these are all the ways you can create your data segments. But for today, I want to show you how to do customer list. So I'm going to click on customer list, and then I'm going to click on upload file manually. I'll click here. I can then name this so I stay organized. Name it, right? I can plug in the customer type. This is optional if you want to do that. And then down here, I'm going to upload, right? Emails, phones, and or mailing addresses, all right? So it's basically one or all of it. So what I mean by this is when you're creating your spreadsheet, it needs to look very, very correct and formatted properly in order for Google to read and upload the data and properly match everything and try to find these people. So what does this look like? If I had a list right here, you can see what you need to look at is these columns right here at the top are very, very specific. So this is how it needs to be written. First name, last name, phone, email, zip, country. Okay, so if you can see, I have more than one phone number. If you have more than one phone number, that's okay. Just add an additional phone column and then fill in all of the data that you have available. Country, right? United States, we're going to do US. Also note here for the phone numbers, here in the United States, the country code number is the number 1. So what I did was we have to remove all of the formatting out of each phone number. We have to add the number 1 to the front of the phone number so that is properly formatted for Google. So make sure to take note of this, make sure you're doing it properly. Otherwise, this is going to be a big waste of time. Okay, have all this data in here. All right, once that's done, you can then go over here and upload it. All right, grab that file. Here it is. It's a CSV file that we're going to upload. I'm going to click on it. We're going to make sure we follow the instructions. You can see here again, test. This is how we identify. The more data we have on someone, the better. We're going to make sure we're following all the rules. Then we're going to click save and continue. Once that's done, you'll click submit. Usually within about 48 hours, Google's going to go ahead and analyze all this data. You can come back in after a couple days, and then you'll have results to see, hey, what matched? How good was this? And how accurate was this data? What was the match rate? And you can really see how good it is, okay? Then you can leverage this data, of course, for running Google Ads. So this is how you create customer lists within the Audience Manager for Google Ads. I'm Jared Larkin. If you have other questions, whether it's questions on marketing or real estate or title insurance, that's the field that I work in. Follow along here. My website's milehighTitleGuy.com, where I share real estate tools, resources, and marketing ideas to help real estate professionals. I share weekly emails if you'd like to sign up. I hope this was helpful for you, and good luck with your Google Ads.